Good morning to all. We were discussing the topic genders. In genders, we completed the definition of gender as well as types of genders, their definitions, and along with the examples. Now, to convert the given gender, if it is in masculine gender, if it is to be converted into feminine gender, otherwise, if feminine gender is given and it is to be converted into masculine gender, we need to follow some rules. Okay, let us discuss now in today's session rules of forming feminine gender from masculine gender, otherwise from masculine gender to feminine gender, how to convert the genders. There are some rules, and listen, you should not only follow these rules but also there are so many examples which you need to practice to get perfection in genders topic. Okay, just simply don't follow only these rules. These are just basic rules which are very important to convert the genders into other type of genders. Okay, I am saying that these are not only important but also there are so many examples you need to practice, okay, to convert the different type of genders into the remaining other types. Okay, let us see now. Rule 1. Rule 1 is refers to the one type of gender which follows the perfect rule. See, feminine gender is formed by changing the whole word. Means if any masculine gender is given and if it is to be converted into feminine gender, we need to change the whole word. Here boy is there. What is the feminine gender of boy? First of all, what is masculine gender? Masculine gender means any gender noun or any noun which refers to male people or male animals. Okay, these are called masculine genders. And what about feminine genders? The gender nouns which refers to female people or female animals. Okay, so here boy means it refers to, means it belongs to male group of people, yes or no? So this is considered as masculine gender. Now it is, we need to convert this into feminine gender. Here we are not adding anything to this word. For example, stepson is there, that is masculine gender, and if it is to be converted into feminine gender, we just write in place of son, daughter, then it becomes stepdaughter. So we are not changing the whole word there, but here we are changing the total word. Boy, it is totally converted as the new word, that is girl. So now this is a feminine gender of boy, boy, girl. Okay, this is the first rule. See, look at some of the examples given here. Father, then mother. Okay, whole word is changing. Yes sir. Next, nephew, niece, husband, wife, dog, bitch. Okay, dog means masculine and feminine is bitch. So in this way we should follow, means we should convert the masculine into feminine by following first rule. We need to change the total word. Okay, next, there are some more examples which are important. Those are following rule 1. See, gentleman, lady. See, these are the most important examples in examination point of view. Okay, just note down all these examples. For example, in exam, if drone is given and you need to write, means you have to write the feminine gender of this drone. So you should write B. Okay, so these are the examples which are important in examination point of view. Gentleman, lady, sir, madam, bull, cow, horse, mare. This is important. Okay, horse, mare, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, son, daughter, cock, hen, drone, bee, king, queen, wizard, witch, lad, lass. Okay, so just note down these examples. Masculine into feminine. For example, if the feminine gender is given, and you are asked to convert this into masculine, then just write the masculine of this given word. For example, daughter is given and you are asked to write it in masculine gender. Then what is the masculine of daughter? It is son. Okay, like that. This is about rule 1. What is rule 1? While you are converting into masculine to feminine or feminine to masculine, you need to change the total word. Okay, whole word. Next, rule 2, second rule. Some feminine gender words are formed by adding ess at the end of the masculine gender. It means here no need to change the total word. Whole word is not need not to be changed. See, some feminine gender words. Some of the examples which are means related to rule 2, which are categorized to rule 2, are formed by adding ess. Means for the given words, if they are in masculine, if we add ess at the end of this word, at the end of these nouns, then they will become feminine genders. Actually here some feminine genders are formed. Yeah. If we add ess to masculine genders, then the feminine genders are formed. Okay. See, look at the examples now. What we need to do for this type of examples. So how would you know whether this is whether this following rule 2 or not? By practicing. Okay. You need to practice. So just let us look at the examples now. Other. Just we need to add ess to it, then it becomes a feminine gender. Other, others. Okay. At the end of this word, we need to add ess. Next, lion refers to masculine gender, and if we add ess to it, according to rule 2, lioness. This is feminine gender. Okay. Next, hair. Just ess to be added. Heiress. Next, host, hostess. Poet, poetess. Understand? So this is about rule 2. What is rule 2? For some type of masculine genders which are under rule 2, means you would know whether this is belonging to rule 2 or not by practicing. So we should practice more and more examples to know the given noun is under which type of rule. Okay? See, if these type of nouns, if you see in an exam, then you need to add ess at the end of the noun, then it becomes a feminine gender. See, other, ess you are added, and means you are adding ess and it becomes others. Next, lion, lioness, hare, heiress, host, hostess, and the last, poet, poetess. Okay, just note of these examples. Next, rule 3. Rule 2 and rule 3 are almost same, but there is a slight difference is there. Let us see. What is rule 3? Some feminine gender words are formed by removing last vowel and adding ess. These are some of the examples under rule 3. What is rule 3? Feminine genders are formed by removing vowel. This is vowel as an O, A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. See, by removing vowel, last vowel, and adding ess. Just I have removed this O here and adding ess. So it becomes feminine gender. See, actor, I have removed O and added here ess. So it becomes actress. Okay, actor is a feminine one, and actor is a masculine gender, and actress is a feminine gender of this masculine gender, actor. Okay, just removed vowel and added ess. In this way, the feminine genders are formed according to rule number 3. See, tiger, E should be removed, yes or no? So tigress. See, E is removed and added ess. So it becomes a feminine gender of tiger. Next, hunter, huntress. Okay. So in this way, we write feminine genders by following rule 3. Okay, these are the examples under rule 3. Okay, we'll discuss the remaining rules in the next class. Till then, practice these type of words or nouns which comes under rule 1, 2 and 3 as well. Okay, thank you.